I'm gonna head up and I'm gonna go start working on backfilling around my cabin. So let's go. Oh. Okay, I made it to the cabin after a long drive. But I have all this in the way, and all of this in the way that I need to move out of the way. So as you can see here, I've been working, but this is starting to erode away like that. That used to be all built up. So today I want to put dirt, probably starting from like maybe right here. I'm gonna put dirt out and kind of slope it up to here. But I want to do that. And I also, yeah, I've been working on this. Starting to put roof sheeting on. It's looking pretty good. But I need to move everything pretty much. But another thing is where I'm gonna get dirt from. I was thinking about getting dirt. Maybe, I don't know how much I'll get, but coming in like this, because as you can see, it's a little bit of a slant here, like this. I don't know if you can see it in the GoPro, but come in and scoop this up, and kind of make like a parking lot here almost. And then I also have a couple options for dirt. I could do that. Over here, there's a big pile of dirt for the house. It's my dad's dirt. We'll get dirt from over here somewhere. Like all this could all get flattened out in here. But that's probably not gonna happen because it's still a little bit wet over here. So yeah, there was just ducks in here. There's ducks in this pond. That's crazy. There's not even any food here. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, well, I'm kind of racing the rain. It's supposed to rain around 1 today, and it's, I don't know, I think it's almost 12 maybe? Alright, so I'm going to move all that stuff, and I'll get back to you guys when I start working. Okay, I finished up. It took me about an hour, but I got all these boards moved up there, cleaned all this up. So yeah, I'm ready to start backfilling. So now that I stopped working, I'm starting to get cooled down. So alright, well, let's get to work. Okay, so I forgot my tripod, so I'm not gonna be able to film outside the cab very much, which really sucks because I'm really looking forward to that. But yeah, forgot my tripod, and I'm not driving all the way back down to get it. So yeah, we're gonna hop in the backhoe. Put my coat on, it's getting cold. And yeah, let's start hauling dirt around here. Okay, let's get our first scoop here. be driving in, and I'm gonna try to spread it out here so that it gets a good clean grade off of here. Okay, now I'm just bringing scoops in and dumping them where needed, and we're gonna do this several more times. Okay, we might have to abort mission because I already got stuck. So sucks because now I got some dirt over there. Should be enough. It's just not as much as I wanted to do, but yeah. This sucks. Like it's just sunk all the way down the frame. I don't know what that thing does. Weird. What does this thing do? Weird. Okay, getting out of here. This sucks. This absolutely sucks. I was actually planning on just leaving after I got out, but it just whoop sucked me down. Okay, let's make a plan here. How in the heck am I gonna get out? I might be able to kind of use the hoe and push myself or pull myself back up here and make it, because this is all solid rock ground over here. That's just like mushy, junky stuff. So if I can push myself up and get myself, the goal is to get here. Steer over there. Here's something. Okay, let's try and see what we can do here. I don't have a tripod, so I'm gonna have to like set the GoPro on the ground or something. You can see it went over a little hump and then just whoop. Just sank. It's crazy. Alright, oh wait, I might be able to set it like here maybe? Okay, I'm gonna set it there. See how that does. Tell me how it looks in the comments. Okay. Oh man, look! Just like concrete right here. That's crazy. It's just like a mud pot under there. I got out though. It's pretty much all that matters. But dang, this is a mess. This is right in the road too. I'm gonna have to start driving around it with the side-by-side. I won't be able to fix this till next summer. Sucks. But I got enough dirt for now. I'll do this later this summer. I'm gonna shovel a bunch of dirt around this. That's really all that matters right now. I really wanted to slant it all the way out to here. But I guess that's it for the day. Freaking luck's not too good, but whatever. Sucks. So basically all I did is I pushed myself out and just booked it for all I cared. Okay, I have to lock this thing back in though. Alright, I'm gonna do that, and that's about it for today. So I'll see you guys in the next video.